guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, my name is Shilpa and this is my channel Pong Beauty Vlog. So guys, आज मैं आप सब लोग के साथ एक बहुत ही अच्छा स्किन केयर रूटीन शेयर करने वाली हूँ. कोरियन स्किन केयर, yes guys, and Korean skin care is famous for the glass skin, for the beautiful skin. आज मैं आप सब लोग के साथ वही स्किन केयर रूटीन शेयर करने वाली हूँ एंड कैसे मैं अपने एक्ने को इस स्किन केयर रूटीन से कैसे रिमूव कर चुकी हूँ. पूरी तरह नहीं, बट हाँ 90% रिमूव हो चुका है एंड आई एम सो मच इम्प्रेस्ड बाय दिस स्किन केयर. सो यस, इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस स्किन केयर देन प्लीज कीप ऑन वाचिंग. नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट विद द इंट्रो. So starting off the first product, this is the Mango White Cleansing Cream from It's Skin. It is absolutely my favorite and it melts away the makeup and all the dirt so easily. And nowadays I use this instead of any micellar water because micellar water can dry up your skin, but this doesn't dry your skin at all. This is my absolute favorite and it smells, oh my god, so amazing. Can you see this? All my lip part is melts away. And you will see after just rubbing it on your face, you have to just wash it off with normal water and you will see everything is clean. I have taken a normal cotton and can you see? Oh my god, all of the makeup is gone. Now I'm going to wash it off with normal water. Can you see? My skin is glowing. And this is because of this cleansing cream. I absolutely love this. Guys, you should try this cleansing cream as soon as possible. So the second product is a face wash. This is from It's Skin. So this is the YE Effector cleansing foam and it is rich with YE Effector, which created to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. It helps to restore skin natural barrier against damage and makes your skin healthy, smooth and radiant. It deeply hydrates skin and added a glow radiance. Also, it deeply cleans your skin and you have to just massage it all on your damp face. After massaging it up to 1 to 2 minutes, you have to wash it off with lukewarm water. And I have just washed it off and can you see the glow on my face? It gives natural radiance to your skin and I absolutely love it. The third product is none other than a toner and I love green tea toner. And this is from again It's Skin. It is the It's Skin green tea toner and it smells so refreshing. And all you have to do is you have to take few drops of this toner and you have to apply it on your skin like this so that the toner can penetrate on your skin. This toner is so effective. It helps to remove all the dark spots and not only that, it also helps to remove and reduce the pigmentation, acne and pimples. It helps to calm your skin so easily and it gives a refreshing and natural glow. I think you have already seen how much I love this toner because I have almost finished it, and this toner is exclusively available on Beauty Talk India. All the links in my description box. The fourth product is a serum. So this is Q10 Effector Serum and it is again from It's Skin. This serum deeply hydrates and firms the skin and balances the skin oil and sebum production so that the acne and the pimples can reduce. It helps to reducing blackheads, blemishes and suitable for oily to combination skin types. And I am using this serum from quite some time, and I can say I absolutely love it. Not only this serum, there are also so many different serums of this Power 10 Effector. Is exclusively available on Beauty Talk India. Guys, you can check it there, and all the links in my description box. Now coming to the sheet mask part. This is my absolute favorite skincare product, and I absolutely love this sheet mask. This is again from Power 10 Formula VV sheet mask, and this is from It's Skin. And this sheet mask is specialized for acne and pimples. It can reduce acne and pimples within overnight. And I absolutely love this. It gives a calming and refreshing, and I am obsessed with this sheet mask.
You came out searching for a reason. You came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever.
So after applying the sheet mask, you have to just leave it up to 20 minutes, and after that you will see the glow. Can you see the glow on my face? It gives instant glow on your skin, and it gives a refreshing and calming feeling to your skin. And I will gently massage the excess serum on my skin like this, and gently tap it with like this. Now coming to the last part, this is green tea emulsion. Yes guys, I think you heard it first time. And this emulsion is water based, and this is green tea emulsion, and again it is from It's Skin. This emulsion is a perfect combination of serum and a cream, and in the night time I use it mainly. Since my skin is already moisturized and hydrated so well, so that I am using this emulsion. Instead of it, you can also use the green tea cream, which is also again from It's Skin, and all of these products are available on Beauty Talk India. Again, I am mentioning all the links are mentioned in my description box so that you can find it easily. Can you see the glow on my face? And now I will leave it up to the whole night, and I will now go to bed. And this is my nighttime skincare routine. For the skincare, I will wake up in the morning with a beautiful glowy skin. So all of these products are available on Beauty Talk India, all of these products. Yes, and Beauty Talk India is currently running a sale which is 50% discount. Yes guys, you heard it right, 50% discount, and it is unbelievable and unbeatable. So yes, if you want to purchase these products and try out these amazing products, then please go ahead and check it out. All the links, all the products links are mentioned in my description box, and so that you can find it easily. And also all the description कब तक ये डिस्काउंट चलेगा सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन किया होगा. सो मेक श्योर कि आप वहां से चेकआउट करें. एंड प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन जस्ट नेक्स्ट to it, so that whenever I will post a new video, you will get notified. So yes, That is all for today. Stay home, stay safe and stay beautiful. Bye bye.